Hey everyone! If you're looking for the best Bitget referral code, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the Bitget referral code 486K to unlock exclusive bonuses and get started on one of the top crypto exchanges. Whether you're searching for a Bitget promo code, Bitget sign-up code, or Bitget invitation code, this is all you need. It's super simple. 1. Click the link in the description. This takes you directly to the Bitget sign-up page. 2. Automatic code application. The Bitget referral code 4H6K will be automatically applied when you sign up. If not, just copy and paste it from the video description. Create your account. Sign up using Google, Apple, or email. Whatever is easiest for you. Bitget offers some amazing bonuses for new users. Sign up. Bonus. Earn up to 1,530 USDT just by using the referral code 4H6K during registration. Mystery Box. Unlock a mystery box worth up to 500 USDT after reaching specific trading volumes. No deposit. Bonus. Complete your KYC, know your customer verification, and receive a bonus without needing to make an initial deposit. Additional rewards. Participate in trading challenges and invite friends to the platform to earn even more bonuses. These bonuses are designed to give you a strong start on Bitget with plenty of opportunities to maximize your earnings. By using the referral code 4H6K, you'll not only unlock these exclusive bonuses, but also enjoy a secure, user-friendly platform with a wide range of trading options, including spot and futures trading. Buy crypto easily. Purchase crypto with credit, debit cards, or through P2P trading. Trade with confidence. Enjoy a seamless trading experience with a simple, intuitive interface. Trade spot or futures, adjust views, and use advanced tools to enhance your trading strategies. Don't miss out on these exclusive bonuses. Click the link below, sign up with the Bitget referral code 4H6K, and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!